Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now my another topic in digital electronics series is Hamming code. This is very useful for competitive exam. So Hamming code is used to detect and correct the errors. It can also represented by n, comma k codes. N is basically total bits and k is for message bit. There is also a bit is parity bits are also there. So parity bits is basically n minus k bit, where n is message bit and total bits. When we subtract message bit from the total bits, we get our parity bits. The conditions for identify our parity bits are 2 to the power p should be greater than equal to p plus k plus 1. I will explain in my questions how it can be done. Let's suppose we have 5 message bits, k equal to 5. 5 message bits are there. So parity bits will be 2 to the power p greater than equal to p plus 5 plus 1, that is 6. So p plus 6. So if we put p equal to 1, this condition cannot be satisfied because 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. So 2 is not greater than equal to 7. So its condition is not satisfied. When we put p equal to 2, so this condition is not satisfied again. When we put p equal to 3, then this condition is not satisfied again. So if we put p equal to 4, then this condition is satisfied because 16 is greater than equal to. So this condition is satisfied. Now 5 message bits k and parity bits are 4 because this condition is satisfied. Now total bits are p equals to n minus k. So n equals to p plus k. So n equals to 9. So the code will be n5 code because total bits is n and message bits is 5 and parity is 4. So total message length is 9. Now we will put here in a 9 message bit with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how can we identify the position of parities? So here the position we will talk. So P1 will be 2 to the power 0, P2 will be 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3 and so on. How much parities are there? So we have here only 4 parities. So we will talk 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. 4 parities and other so on will be 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. So one parity is this one, P1. 2 to the power 1 is 2, so parity is 2. 2 to the power 2, so we should write it P4 because it is 4th position for our confusion. Then P4 will be this one, so we will write it P8. So here 8th position of the parity. Now how can we check the parity? So P1 will be checked, one position will be checked by 1 and skip 1. Check 1, skip 1. So in P1 will be checked by 1 P1, skip P2, P3, 3, 4 skip, 5 skip 6, 7 skip 9 and 9. So 3, 5, 7, 9. It will be more clear when we do any question. Now P2 will be 2 bit check and 2 skip. So here P2 will be 2, 3, then 4, 5 skip, 6, 7 and then 8, 9 skip. So here 3, 6 and 7, then 6, 7, 9 cannot be there because there is only 2 bits. 2 bits will be 2, 3, 4, 5 will be skipped, 6, 7, 8, 9 will be skipped, 10, 11 will be there. Now for P3, 3 bit check and 3 bit skip. So P3, for P3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skip and 9 will be there. So 3 will be 4, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now 6, 7, 8 not be there and 9 will be there. You can check. Now P4 will be starting from P4 and 4 bit will be there and skip 4 bit. So here 4 bit will be only 9 should be there and XOR between these twos. Here is a question. We should check our parity. So here 5-bit data 10110 is given, represent in Hamming code. We should represent it in Hamming code. So here number of bit is 5. So k equals to 5. Parity bit should be generated by this equation. So 2 to the power p greater than equal to p plus k plus 1. So k equals to 5. So p plus 6. So here 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Only this condition is satisfied. So here parity bits are 4. Here parity bits are 4 and k equals to 5. The total message bit is 9. So here is a 9-5 code. So we will explain how it can be done. Now for 9 bits we have to make a 9-bit message. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now the parity positions should be taken. Position of parity. How can we do that? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Only 4 parities are there. So 2 to the power 1 is 1, 2 to the power 2 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 2 to the power 3 is 8. There are 4 parity and position are these. So we should write it here P1, P2 and P4 and P8. P1, P2, P3 and P4 and P8. Message will be like this: M3, M5, M6, M7 and M9. We have written because of this position number. Now for P1 we should write for P1 check 1, skip 1, check 1, skip 1. So here P1 will be 3, 5, 7, 9. So our message was like this. Our message was 1, 0. We should write here our message. So 1, this is parity, 0, 1, 1 and this is parity. This will be message. Okay. Now P1 will be 3 will be 0, XOR 5 1, XOR 7 0, XOR 1. So 2 1 will be 0. P1 will be 0. Now P2 will be 2 message, 2 check, 2 skip. So there will be 3, 2, 4, 5 skip, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8, 9 skip. So here 3 will be 0, XOR 6 will be 1, XOR 0. So 0, 1, 0. XOR will be 1 here. Now P4. So P4 will be starting from 4, check 4, skip 4. So P4 will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 skip. So here we have 5 will be 1, XOR 6, XOR 7. 7. Okay. Now the 2 ones are there. So there is a 0. Now P8. P8 will be only 1, that is 9. So 9 only is 1 here. So we have our parity bits. Now we should write our message like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So message are given, that is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now parity bits. P is 0, 1 is 1, P4 is 0 and P5 is 1. So our message, our total Hamming code is 110 110 010. This is our Hamming code. So friends, I hope you understand this Hamming code generation. Now we will talk about in other session that how we correct and detect our error. So I hope you understand this Hamming code generation. So I am giving you some question for Hamming code generation. Question is 4-bit 1001 is given. Represent Hamming code. Represent Hamming code. So we have only 4-bit. So you have to do this and get back to me with the comment. I will explain is there any mistake. Thank you. Good day and please subscribe my channel for more videos.